Happy December 9th, everybody. I'm Blizzard, and I do love the snow. Hence why I got my name. I love the snow. I know it's not good to stay out in it all night because, well, you know, but I can also make it through a storm. I'm pretty strong when it comes to stuff like that. No wind can stand against me. Also, I also love that movie that has my name on it, Blizzard. Also about a reindeer that has my name. How cool is that? It's not every day you get a movie about a reindeer named Blizzard. It's pretty neat, isn't it? Anyways, happy holidays, everyone. Happy December 9th, and may your Christmas this year be great.